Bore da. The First Minister will take a press conference later today covering our review of Wales Alert Level 4 lockdown restrictions. I wanted to provide a brief update of what this will mean for schools and colleges. Thanks to all your efforts and sacrifices, the public health situation in Wales continues to improve every day, and as a result, we will see our very youngest children and some vocational learners start to return to school and college from Monday. I'd like to thank everyone involved in making this possible. Opening up education is our main priority as a government, and I would like to talk you through our intentions for the next few weeks as they stand. If conditions continue to improve over the next 3 weeks, we hope to be in a position to see all of our primary age children start to return to their classrooms from March the 15th. At the same time, we'd also like to see those in years 11 and 13 in schools and those doing similar qualifications in colleges able to return to face-to-face learning in a safe and flexible way. Where possible, we also want to give some flexibility around other learners, such as Year 12 and those in Year 10 who may have been entered for qualifications this summer. For those learners in secondary settings or colleges, this won't necessarily be a return to full-time on-site learning, and I will provide further details as things progress. But I promise to do all that I can to support these learners because I know how anxious this time can be for them as they consider key decisions about their next steps in life. I want to thank you all again for everything that you've done to help keep Wales safe and for creating the headroom that we need to get more children and young people back into their classrooms. Diolch yn fawr.